Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. Today I will show you 3 methods that you can use to take a screenshot. Now for the first method, you have to press and hold your volume down key and power key at the same time. Now just do it and you can see that will take a screenshot. If you tap here, from here you can edit your screenshot. Then tap on this save icon and it's saved. If I do it again, and you can see that will take a screenshot again. Now for the second method, you have to swipe your hand from left to right. Now just do it and you can see that will take a screenshot. If I do it once again, and that will take a screenshot again. Now if you cannot take a screenshot using your second method, then you have to turn it on from your settings. Now just go to your settings app. From here scroll down and then go to advanced features. From here go to motion and gesture, and here at the bottom you can see flame swipe to capture option, and you have to turn it on from here. Now for the third method, you have to swipe from top to bottom. You can also take a screenshot from here. If you cannot find it screenshot option here, then tap on this pencil icon, then tap on edit, and here you can see take a screenshot option. Now just touch and hold it and drag it to here, then tap on done and it's done. Now if you go back and then swipe from top to bottom again, now just tap on this screenshot icon to take a screenshot, and you can see that will take a screenshot. Now I will show you how to take a long screenshot of long page. Now if I take a screenshot, then touch and hold this icon, and you can see that will start taking a long screenshot. Now just release your finger and it's done. Now if I open this screenshot, and here it is. And that is how you can take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.